In this video, I am going to show you how to install iOS 18 beta on your iPhone. If you have any of the iPhone listed in this page, you can download and test the iOS 18 beta version. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open Safari browser on your iPhone and go to https://developer.apple.com programs Enroll. Scroll down. You will see a button at the bottom. Click this button to start your enrollment. Step 2. Now SignIn using your Apple ID, which is signed in your iPhone. Accept these two agreements to continue. Now click on this Enroll Today button. And done. You have successfully enrolled into beta program. Let's open the Settings app. Go to General, then Software Updates. As you can see, Beta Updates option is enabled now. Click on Beta Updates and select iOS 18 Developer Beta. Before installing iOS Beta Update, make sure to take a complete backup of your phone, so if anything goes wrong, you can get back to iOS 17 without losing data. I will upload a video on how to take iPhone data backup before installing iOS Beta Update. Stay tuned.